This is the world's largest airport, an absolute engineering triumph rising straight from the desert sand. 260 million passengers a year, 5 times the size of DXB, and still growing fast. 400 direct gates, no more buses on the tarmac, pure, seamless luxury. Dubai is building its new global gateway, the biggest the world has ever seen. Dubai International is already bursting at the seams with 95 million passengers last year. The city is growing so fast that its current airport simply cannot keep up anymore. Meet Amelia, lead civil engineer on this staggering $35 billion project.
We are turning empty desert into the ultimate aviation hub. I still can't believe the scale. The heat hits 48 degrees Celsius out here, but my team doesn't sleep until every single detail is perfect.
This is how it's being built, step by step, against impossible odds. 70 square kilometers of raw, unforgiving desert. This is exactly where the miracle begins.
I remember when this was just rolling sand dunes. First, we clear and level everything, no shortcuts.
Laser-perfect alignment across kilometers so 5 parallel runways can handle the world's heaviest jets.
We're moving millions of cubic meters of sand under that brutal 48 degrees Celsius sun laying. The pressure is real.
In this desert, dust control is life or death for the entire project schedule.
98% compaction, or those 600-ton planes will crack everything terrain. We accept nothing less.
High-strength geogrid locks the shifting desert sand so the runways stay rock-solid forever.
Every square meter gets tested. With $35 billion riding on it, we leave zero to chance.
24-hour shifts because the desert heat won't let us waste a single daylight hour. 1 month of relentless earthworks, and the impossible footprint is finally ready.
We built our own plants because we need 1.2 million cubic meters of concrete. This project doesn't wait.
Every rebar joint is tied by hand, so the edges can take the punishment of constant takeoffs.
Space has to be absolutely rock hard, Rona. My team is out here sweating 48 degrees Celsius just to make it perfect.
Millimeter accuracy across 4.5 kilometers. One mistake, and the whole runway fails.
Site is finally ready to stand. I remember standing here when it was all just sand, and now look at us.
The hidden underground spine that will move 30,000 bags an hour without anyone ever seeing it.
Deep piles to reach stable ground. The $35 billion budget means we get this right first time.
These monsters will stand 120 meters tall and lift the entire future of Dubai.
Flash floods cannot close this airport. We engineered every drain like our lives depend on it.
Runway 1 subbase is done. The backbone of the world's largest airfield is taking shape.
Special desert mixed concrete that cures even in 48 degrees Celsius heat. My team is pushing it non-stop.
Non-stop pour around the clock, because once you start a runway slab, you cannot stop.
Prevents cracking in this insane desert sun alive. We treat every square meter like it's gold.
Precision joints to handle the brutal thermal expansion of 50-degree temperature swings.
These lights will guide the biggest planes safely at night the terrain. I'm so proud of this team.
Shoulders strong enough for emergency landings of fully loaded wide bodies.
World-class markings so we can safely handle over 100 movements per hour from day one.
All 5 runways built to the highest Code F standards for the largest aircraft on Earth.
Safety for any overrun. Because with this budget and this scale, we protect every life.
Runway infrastructure is rising fast. The desert is surrendering to human ambition.
Column-free halls stretching 1.7 kilometers, Heldo. I still get chills watching these beams go up.
Every single joint is torque checked because failure is simply not an option here.
These floors must support millions of footsteps every single day for the next century.
Wave-shaped roof echoing the desert dunes we started with, poetic and bulletproof. High-performance solar glass that reflects 70% of the killing desert heat.
Marble-like finish that will still look brand new in 50 years, pairs, worth every drop of sweat.
Concourse 1 is already longer than 3 full DXB concourses combined. The bones of the mega terminal are complete, and the world is about to see something legendary, the hidden spine that will move 30,000 bags per hour beneath everyone's feet.
Automated people mover with zero emissions. My team is exhausted but so damn proud.
Dedicated power plant the size of a small city to keep this giant alive 24/7. Cooling 2.3 million square meters so passengers never feel the desert heat inside.
30,000 bags per hour, fully automated. I remember when this was just a hole in the sand.
Next generation screening built in from day one, so security never slows the dream.
Self-bag drop ready for 150 million passengers in phase 1. The future starts right here.
First class and business lounges with private gardens. Pure 5-star aviation.
Natural daylight plus smart LEDs. 40% energy saving while we battle this heat every day.
World-class duty-free and dining that will make every traveler never want to leave.
Living walls and palm groves inside the terminal, bringing life to the desert we started with.
Seamless passenger flow so 260 million people a year never feel lost. Jet fuel delivered directly to every gate so turnarounds stay lightning fast. Full airfield lighting system now online and ready to guide the world. ARFF Category 10, the highest safety standard money and determination can buy. Finishing touches that will welcome the entire world with 5-star elegance.
Comfort for every single passenger, because after all this work, they deserve it.
Seamless, contactless border control that processes people in seconds. Green corridor from city to terminal, turning desert into paradise.
Direct metro and highway links. The whole city will flow straight into this masterpiece.
12 million tons of cargo capacity that will power global trade for decades. Safety tested to the absolute limit because nothing is left to chance. The terminal is breathing. It feels alive after all these months of sweat.
It's finally ready for passengers. My team and I are beyond proud right now.
Phase 1 is structurally complete. The impossible is standing right in front of us. Airside is now secure. The dream is officially protected. Zero mishandling target. We engineered perfection into every meter of belt. Full turnaround test. Every second counts when you're this big. Expansion never stops. Concourses. 2 to 4 are already rising behind us.
Identical to the first, but even bigger, the $35 billion journey continues.
5 runway system by ultimate phase. The sky will never be the same.
Renewable power for the entire airport to Neo. We're thinking 100 years ahead.
Zero liquid discharge, because in the desert, every drop matters. The scale just keeps multiplying. This is aviation history in real time. Space for 50,000 vehicles. Nothing about this project is small.
We never stop, but 48 degrees Celsius by day, floodlights by night, $35 billion never sleep.
The skyline of aviation is changing forever, right before our eyes.
All concourses connected underground. The backbone just got stronger.
Cool air now flowing through every single hall. The desert has been defeated. Luxury brands moving in. This place is going to feel like a palace. Intuitive navigation for millions. We thought of everything. The 5th runway completes the master plan. The full vision is almost here.
All 5 runways lit and ready so. This is the moment we dreamed about.
Ground operations perfected. The machine is alive and breathing. The vision becomes breathtaking reality in front of the world. The first travelers are experiencing the future we built with our own hands.
On time, every time plan. My team delivered under impossible pressure.
Capacity building to 150 million in phase 1. The giant is waking up.
This is only the beginning of the day. I remember the sand dunes, and now look.
A new beacon shining on the world map. Dubai just rewrote aviation history, connecting the entire world through the heart of Dubai.
From desert to destiny, my team and I poured our souls into this.
The sky now belongs to Dubai, and the world will never look the same. A terminal that feels like a palace built for the people of the planet.
12 million tons a year, We built the backbone of global trade.
Seamless city connection. The future of travel just arrived.
Sustainability at this scale talents, because we owe it to the next generation.
Welcome to the future of travel. Smiles everywhere you look. The busiest sky on Earth, managed with absolute precision.
Home of the world's best airline, and now the world's greatest airport.
This is Dubai's bold new chapter written in steel and glass.
We didn't just build an airport, we built tomorrow through heat, pressure, and pure pride.
The world's largest airport is now open for business, and the future just landed. A jaw-dropping masterpiece of engineering and unstoppable human vision. Every journey now begins in the most spectacular place on Earth.
Integrated transport at its absolute finest strengths. We connected everything.
Connecting every corner of the planet in one breathtaking hub. The heartbeat of modern aviation beating stronger than ever. Never sleeps, never stops. This is the new center of the world. Pride of the Emirates reflected in the greatest airport ever built. A symbol of ambition realized against every impossible challenge. From one visionary city to the entire connected world. This is more than concrete and steel. This is pure human triumph.
Here in Dubai, we don't just build projects, we bring impossible ideas to life. To see what we build next, subscribe for more.